Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Talk Barca. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be discussing about what our new signings Sergio Aguero, Eric Garcia, Emerson and Depay can bring to our squad. So let's get on with it. Let's start with the very first signing of the summer, Sergio Aguero. We all know what a player Sergio Aguero is and what he can bring to our squad. He can be our number 9 that we lacked very much last season. Last season, we played some good football and also created chances, but what we lacked was someone who can convert those chances, and that's where I think Aguero can be very much useful to us. But we also have to keep in mind that Sergio Aguero is already at the twilight of his career as he turned 33 last month, and last season at Man City, he had a pretty much injury hit campaign where he managed just 20 appearances. But if we can manage to keep Aguero fit the whole season, he can really come in handy for us. He can provide us with some bangers, scoring from outside the box, maybe some tap-ins at some crucial stages of a match. And we also have to keep in mind the relationship Aguero has with Messi on and off the field that can be very much useful to us. Last season, we had Martin Braithwaite as our only number 9. Most of the season, we played with Messi and Griezmann as false 9. Even at the end of the season, when we switched to 3 at the back formation, it was Dembele who was playing as our number 9. So I think this season, Aguero is going to be very much important to us. Now let's talk about Eric Garcia, the 20-year-old Spanish defender. Some of us might say he's not a good centre-back as because he didn't appear much last season or whenever he played he provided subpar performances. But what I think Eric Garcia was always made a scapegoat as because he didn't accept any contract extension given to him by the club. So whenever there was a mistake in the back line of Man City, it was always Eric Garcia's fault. Yeah, we must also keep in mind that he's a young defender and we must not expect miracles from him from the starting. He's a proper addition to our squad to the most important area, that is our defense, where we are desperate for some reinforcements. Eric Garcia has a lot of potential, and as time goes by, I think he can be a world class centre back for us because Guardiola has already praised him many times and also said his low number of appearances are because of his contract situation. And if possible, he would have loved to have 15 Eric Garcias on his team. And we also bought a player for free who has been part of our system for a very long period of time. He played for 9 years in La Masia and he shouldn't be having any problems in settling or trying to understand our philosophy. Now let's move on to Emerson, the 22-year-old right back. The deal was made permanent for 9 million euros. He provided a goal and 4 assists in last season. We really have very good options on the right back spot. Dest on one hand, Emerson on the other. We still have Roberto. We don't know if he's going to stay or he's going to be sold this summer. Emerson has speed and also can provide us with assists and maybe sometimes score a few goals if we need them. I think Emerson has really shown us in the last 2 seasons at Real Betis of what he's capable of and shown that he can really play at a very top level. If Roberto stays, I think all three is going to be pushing each other to be at their very best every time. To be honest, our right back spot is very interesting and promising. I'm really excited to see how Emerson performs and what he can bring to our squad as a whole. Now let's talk about our fourth signing of the summer, Memphis Depay, the player Ronald Koeman wanted from the very first day he officially became our manager. He had a brilliant last season with Lyon, scoring a ton of goals and providing a ton of assists. I have to say that he's at the best physical state. He hardly ever been injured after rupturing his anterior cruciate ligament, which basically kept him out for the most of the 1920 season. But one thing that we have to keep in our mind that if Aguero plays as our number 9 or Ansu plays as our number 9, of course Messi will be playing as our right winger. Yeah, I know he hasn't yet renewed, but I think he will be staying with us, and by the time I'm recording this video, he might have already renewed. But as I was saying, Messi is at the stage of his career where he will be dropping deep and he will orchestrate things down the middle. So that happens. Memphis is not our number 9. He will be playing as our left winger. In that situation, Memphis cannot drop deep to an already crowded place. Then midfielders like Elash, De Jong has to go wide, which will not bring the best out of our team. Yeah, Pedri can play wide, but if he goes wide, then there is a vacant space in our midfield and we don't want that. Otherwise, we are asking too much from our fullbacks to provide us width. So Memphis has to play a very disciplined role. He can't be dropping deep. He has to stay wide, maintaining that width. Maybe sometimes dropping deep, but not always. So let's see how Koeman's gonna bring the best out of Depay. Basically, how he brings the best out of the 4 players we talked about. So that's it for today's video, guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one.